Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. I did a little shopping. Yeah. I'm going to set the box out of the way. This was part of the 20% off Lion Brand sale that they had last week. The yarn came in super fast. I did not expect it to come in. Today's Thursday. I think I ordered it Monday, maybe Monday. So, yeah, totally surprised that it came this quick, but here it is. And I actually got 40% off instead of 20% off. I had an order, a few months ago that they shorted a skein of yarn. And so when they mailed it to me, they sent me a coupon for 40% off. So I used that instead of the 20% off. So let me show you what I got. There's lots of pounds of love here. Not me, the yarn, I mean. There's lots of pounds of love here too, but you know what I mean. Anyway, the first thing I have this is Lion Brand Pound of Love. This is, it's out of the bag. Let me take it out so you can see it without all the shininess. There you go. This color is called Honeybee. It's kind of a sunny yellow, lemony color. And it's worsted weight. It's 1,020 yards, 932 meters. It is literally 16 ounces of yarn. Yes. Now what am I going to do? It's actually pretty soft too. What am I going to do with it? I'm going to add it to another pound of yarn. Let me open this one so you can see what it looks like. These two, and what's the color on this one? I think it's cornflower, if I remember rightly. Does it say? Yes, cornflower. These two are going together for an afghan for my living room. My living room is done in kind of a goldy yellow and blue, and my walls are actually a lighter version of this color. And I love blue and yellow together. So anyway, these two are going together, and they are going to be a giant afghan. So that's project number one, and it's going to be a pretty good sized afghan. I have not decided on what pattern yet. It will be crocheted. But I haven't decided what pattern. I kind of like the plaid look, so that's what this might turn into. I'm thinking very strongly that that's what this is going to be. So that's yarn bundle number one. Then I bought two more, and this color is maize. Let me open it up. It's a nice way of saying antique gold from the 70s. But I had two skeins of it. And this, I'm going to make some baskets with. Now that's why I bought two, because I'm going to hold two together to get a more bulky weight. This is worsted weight. All of this is worsted weight. So I'm going to hold two together, or actually as much as I've got, I could divide these down and hold four strands together. So it'll be done in 2 or 4 strand. But I am going to use a method that Yoka told me about, that she said when she makes baskets, she actually uses like wire or clothesline or something, and she crochets around it just to give it a little bit more structure. And I really like that idea. So I will be doing that with it. So we'll see how many baskets I get out of this. But I want to make good sized little baskets that'll fit into my little cubby section just to hold stuff, and yeah, and it'll match. I like matchy. And if I have leftover yarn, look how nice these 3 go together. So that's the big stuff, but there's more. I also bought 4 skeins of, this is called Re-Up It's a recycled yarn. It is 2.5 ounces, 70 grams, 114 yards for 105 meters. And I have two, and this is called Sunflower. So it's actually very similar to this color. But this is a cotton, I believe. Let's see, what does it say it is? 85% cotton, 15% polyester. So I have some small throw pillows that are already on my sofa that are in a blue and a gold stripe. And so I'm going to be making some solid little throw pillows. And the other two that I got are the same yarn, but this is called denim. So I'm going to have some blue pillows and some yellow pillows. So, yeah, lots of blue and yellow yarn. Then included, they also sent a little booklet called Finishing Touches, 5 Crochet Accessories. It says 5, but I only see 4. Oh, okay, here's the first one. It's a little capelet. And then on the back, there is a pocketbook and a hat and another little shawl and some mittens. So, yeah, the pocketbook looks like it's done with granny squares. Yeah, that's what it looks like, is granny squares. The hat's cute. Don't know that I'd make the gloves. The gloves, oh, okay, the gloves, it's gloves and socks. It's not the glove, and so it's actually the fuzzy topper stuff on it, like the faux fur that they've used on the top. So, that's what I got from Lion Brand, and they do tend to do a lot of flash sales, not so much like, they're running a sale, they do like one-day sales, which are ones I try to let you know about because I am an affiliate for them. So when I find out, I try to put up a short little video or something over on Facebook. If it's a sale, the picture and everything are usually done in gold, because apparently I like that color. I don't know. I just figure it catches everybody's attention. So anytime you see one of my videos and the background is all gold, you'll know that it is a sale. So, yes, so that is my Lion Brand haul. And speaking of purses like this one, make sure you stay tuned to Saturday's podcast to hear the saga of the pocketbook. Yes. which is also in gold. Yeah, well, if it was real. I need Rumpelstiltskin. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you again on Saturday. Bye, everybody.